confirm which ones are the front and which ones are the rear. Happy Sunday, everybody. Well, today I'm going to go ahead and install shocks on Alfonso. I opted for the Koni adjustable shocks, which I heard great reviews on. So I got model number 80-2110. Those are for the fronts. The rears were a little harder to find. Now I was able to find these specifically through Bus Depot. The only ones I could find otherwise were from buses at 72 on. However, they made a special model for 68 to 71, and they are 80-1967. And Bus Depot is the only people I found that actually have these. So let's go install them now. Yeah, shocks are pretty easy to go in. I was able to leave the wheels on too while I was doing it, so that was pretty good. Yeah, so they're 19 millimeter nuts and bolts. Only 17s on the bottom here on the axle mount. The nut was, but everything else was 19. Pretty good.
Well, everybody, Koni shocks all the way around. I didn't do any special adjustments on them. I just kind of threw them away the factory put them in. So it seems like it's a good ride. I haven't driven it, but I don't know. Any tips on where I can get bolted first? I guess I need 5 foot by 10 foot sheet to do the roof and 4 by 8 to do the side. So maybe a 4 by 10, whatever I can get. If you guys have tips, recommendations, or somewhere that might have close to the factory flooring, the linoleum, let me know too. Drop down in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate it. But stay tuned on the progress. We're getting a lot knocked out.